In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing documents, collaborating with a team, or simply wanting to make personal annotations, adding notes is a fantastic way to enhance your PDF files. Let's walk you through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat and navigate to your homepage. You'll see a few options here, and typically, you can choose between creating new content or accessing your recent work. Since you're looking to add notes to an existing document, you'll want to head over to your recent work. This section conveniently displays the PDFs you've opened or worked on lately, so locating the file you want should be a breeze. Once you've identified the document you're interested in, go ahead and click on it. This action will open your PDF and prepare it for editing. Now, let's dive into the commenting feature. On the upper toolbar, you'll notice an option labeled Add a Comment. Clicking this button initiates the commenting process, allowing you to place notes anywhere within your document. After selecting Add a Comment, your cursor will transform into a text tool, and you can choose where your note will be anchored. Think about where your note will be most helpful. It could be near a particular section of text or on an image you're discussing. Once you've picked your spot, click to place your note. A text box will appear, ready for your input. Here, you can type your comment or note, detailing your thoughts, feedback, or observations. Remember, this space is for you to convey your message clearly and effectively, so feel free to be as detailed as necessary. While working with notes, consider their formatting to ensure readability, particularly if you're collaborating with others. Although Adobe Acrobat doesn't offer extensive design options within notes, keeping your text concise and focused helps get the message across efficiently. An additional tip: make sure to periodically save your document as you make these changes. Whether you're on a collaborative review or managing your feedback, it's important not to lose your hard work. Acrobat usually prompts you to save before closing, but it's a good habit to save your progress regularly. Lastly, if you need to review or edit your notes, you can simply click on any existing comment. This opens it up for further edits or replies. It's a dynamic feature of Adobe Acrobat that makes managing notes seamless, especially when working with others. And there you have it. You now know how to add notes in Adobe Acrobat. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your PDF editing process and collaborate more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more of our Adobe Acrobat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy annotating!